What's up everybody, this is Lezimadesigns and this is the weekend. Okay, for today's video, I'm gonna do a bedroom tour, and because there's a lot of you guys are asking where did I get this, where did I get that, so now this is gonna be the first time that I'm gonna do a tour in our little bedroom. Okay, so we have a little master bedroom, and I'm gonna show you guys where did our furniture comes from and our bed sheets, lightings, and everything. So here's our master bedroom. It's really small, so that's why it needs a little help. That's the reason why I started to do my little makeovers in our house, in our bathrooms, and in our bedrooms. So here's the bedroom. So now, here's the bed sheet. Every season, I change my bed sheet. It's not really a season, but technically most of my sheets are white, beige, and gray tones. So this is a reversible. If I'm not wrong, I got this from IKEA, and this little throw blanket is from IKEA. I got it on sale for like $10. So this is a stretchable throw for decoration. And then another white sheet from IKEA. I got this mini decorative pillow from Ross and got it for sale again, and this is only cost 90 cents each, and I got 2 of them, so it's a pretty good deal. Like throw pillows are very expensive, but I got them so cheap. And then this is another IKEA pillow shams. And then we got our queen bed frame for a used one. We got this from Marketplace. This is the first bed frame that we bought since we started to move in our own place. So, and then this is the wall hang macrame that I made. So this is very easy. I just cut them and hang it like this. So this is the close-up. And then I created that curtain rod. So this is a dowel stick that I cut in half and I painted it gold. And then this one, we 3D printed it to that size. So now we have an inside curtain rod for cheap. And these, a little sheer curtain, is another IKEA, and most of their curtains there, they sold it for pair, so you don't need to worry about one piece of the panel, and it's a really affordable price. So this is IKEA mini sheer curtain. And also the wall panelings that I did, obviously from Lowe's. Oop, there we go. That wall paneling is from Lowe's, and paint's obviously from Lowe's. And these little pretty cute pendant light is another IKEA. They sold it each, and then the wire to hang your bulb to make it as a pendant light, it's not hardwired required, so I choose to get this one so I don't need to do the electrical thing and just plug it in, and there's a light switch. So we have a smart lamps from Philips. So most of our lighting here in the house is smart lights. Alexa, turn the bedroom red. It's red. Alexa, turn the bedroom white. Oh, it didn't come back. Alexa, turn the bedroom to white. Yep. So these Philips bulbs are not really cheap. They're pretty pricey. So it's because it depends on the, I believe, what kind of bulbs are you getting. And these are just decorative over here. This is another IKEA, and this year I got this from Amazon. And this is from Lowe's. It's a pull blinds, wireless, cordless, sorry. It's a cordless blinds. So I got that, and I got that one right there. It's affordable price. Like around $30 to $20. It depends on the size. And then this full-size mirror, I got this from Goodwill for $5, and it's really, really cheap. Another macrame that I did when I was practicing, and these packets, you can put phones and hook your keys. I got my bag hanging in here. I got this on sale for $7 each, so 2 of them that I got. And then, so I got this from Amazon. It's a little small, but IKEA has this version, a cheaper ones and a bigger size. So, and then this is from Target. And then these dried pampas grass is from Etsy that I ordered online. Piggy bank from the Philippines. So this is a planter, if I'm not mistaken, or either bookshelf, either or what you wanted to do about it. And this is really pretty. I got it on sale for, let's see, so this is originally, oh, this is a plant stand, $70, but I got it for $24. It's a really good deal, super good deal, for $70, and I got it for $25. This is from Target. Oh, and this bag, I got it, you can get this everywhere, but I got this one from Amazon Target also, they're selling this too also in Target. And then over here, okay, so this one, I got this from Big Lots for, I believe, $9. And this basket is from IKEA for $10. I got this throw from Target. And then I have this little pretty stool. I got this from Ross on sale. Again, I believe I got this less than 20 bucks for like $11, something like that. Okay, let me see. And it's really pretty too. That's why I took this from the store. Watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please visit my website lezimadesigns.com for more, and this is Lezima transforming homes.